So thinking about Loris Malaguzzi and the Reggio approach, one of the foundations of Loris Malaguzzi and his values was the rights of the child, and believing that every single child has a right to a quality education. And we firmly believe that here, and I think sliding scale tuition really kind of embodies that spirit.
We're the parents of a first grade Verdi student and a Grandissimi Assuri. So as we were looking at different programs, we did come across La Scuola, which we loved, and it felt like it was a little bit out of our budget. And so when we saw that there was an opportunity to apply for this sliding scale tuition program, we were very excited and were hopeful, like maybe we could still be part of La Scuola after all. Knowing that this was also a possibility really made this such a blessing for us, really, to be able to have both of our kids be part of this community that just brings so much to our family.
To me, the Scale Tuition program is something unexpected, first of all, and absolutely full of meaning. To be able to send my daughters at La Scuola has been a change of life, completely a change of life, and you come here, you start from zero. For my daughters, I think they started from 100, thanks to the Scale Tuition.
I'm a parent to Madeline, age 3, here at La Scuola. In the Piccoli class. I grew up in a program similar to La Scuola. I knew that I wanted Madeline to be in this type of school. Our family is a single income earning family, and so I am so grateful for this sliding scale tuition, as this would not be possible for me otherwise.
So walking around La Scuola, I look into every single classroom and I can see the benefits of sliding scale tuition. I see the individuals who are bringing different perspectives and bringing their own experiences, which vary greatly, into the learning itself.
As a place that continuously strives to be as accessible, as inclusive as possible, and equitable as possible, our sliding scale tuition program is something very important to our school's identity and our values. When we remove that economic barrier, we are then able to work towards creating more equality that starts with a quality education.
There's a lot of value as well in the type of diverse community that the school is able to provide to the students. Like, this is like a second home. Like, he feels very comfortable here, and that just means so much, and just seeing that growth it's wonderful.
There is people that can afford paying for their child, and they think, maybe I give some more money so other people can stay with my child, even persons that at the moment cannot pay. This is fantastic. When I receive a help like this, every day is simple.
I hope that tonight, when you're thinking about how you can help the community, how you can help your student thrive, your child thrive, and take care of the larger community, that you'll join us in helping to expand the sliding scale tuition program. Anything that you can contribute is going to have a massive impact, a positive impact in the lives of every single community member that we have.
We're just very grateful.
I want to say that we're very grateful that we're able to be part of this community.
It's grateful, it's more than grateful.
So I'm really thankful for sliding scale tuition to be continuing and growing.
I am so grateful for you, and thank you again for your commitment.